Well, hello. Hello, everybody. Something I noticed that my Twitch streams don't seem to have tags, even though I have tags in OBS. I wonder why that is. Let me actually go to Twitch directly and double check what's going on. Oh no, I do. There's tags. Why don't they show up in the past broadcasts then? That's weird. By the way, I really think I need to start playing Helldivers 2 in order to get followers. Just kidding. I don't know. It's not productive enough for me to play video games on stream. Unless, like, I ended up getting 1 billion followers and they all wanted me to do it. Then that is productive because that's giving the people what they want. But yeah. Until then, we will continue developing a video game. Get a good yawn out of the way. Oh, okay. Oop. Hey. Yeah, if you've been paying attention to my video at all, I rigged up a diffused light in front of me. I noticed that I had some really bad shadows on my face the entire time. Also noticed that, and I'll say sorry for this, that I have been downloading the streams like from YouTube because I keep missing them on Twitch, like because they have a deadline that they just delete. And I didn't realize how, 720 or whatever quality the videos are are just horrendous. I thought it was because of my original settings, but even when I went into the newer streams, the video quality was still bad. Because YouTube doesn't let you download in HD. Which, you suck, let us do that. That'd be great. Either way, now what I'm doing is I'm downloading directly from Twitch. Unfortunately, that means there's about 4 or 5 days of streams that I just do not want to make shorts out of anymore. My last bad quality video short came out today. Starting tomorrow, the shorts will be better, much better, and hopefully with the lighting now I can have even better quality in the future. Yeah, so tomorrow's short and onward, I'm gonna start just taking from the downloaded feeds, streams that I'm getting from Twitch, because they're way better quality. Yeah, now I'm just downloading them, throwing them in a drive, because they're too big. They're 2.5 gigs each, and I don't even stream as long as some people. I can't imagine them downloading like a 12-hour stream. Holy crap. Now I get why there's the clip, the clipping thing that you can do on Twitch where people can clip your streams, because man, that'd be so much easier. I know that's what Pyro Software does. He just basically sifts through the clips that people make, and then those are what his shorts come from. Me, unfortunately, I have to download the entire stream, which is only 2 hours, and basically watch it, and then timestamp when I find something that's, you know, short worthy. But yeah, so hopefully my camera looks better now. Yeah, if this takes off and people really want to watch me do this or just watch me in general, I will probably invest in, I think it's like a DSLR real camera. I used to have a really nice Nikon. The version right before they started doing high-def video. Yeah, the camera was great. I used it for years. For a lot of things. I'm pretty sure I wasn't using it right, like settings-wise and stuff, because I mean, the camera quality is fine, but it's, I know it's an old camera, but like still, it wasn't like professional grade, even though it was like, supposed to be a professional camera. Anyway. Yes, so, for those who are new and seeing my stream for the first time, I am Scott V. Adrian. That's me in the background. That's my book, Orbem. Orbem is a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel, set place in both the real world at first, Earth, and then going to a parallel universe, Orbem, which is where most of the series will, you know, off and on take place. Book one's out. It's been out. It's been re-released January 28th, so it's been out for a few months now. And big news, everybody. I got my Facebook ads account re-enabled. Been 12 days since it went down, and ooh, I did not realize how reliant my my orders were on those Facebook ads. Cause yeah, while I kept up my Kindle Unlimited reads, those were actually doing fine, which I don't know why. I don't know where that traffic's coming from, because in my attribution links, they don't show the thousands of, you know, Kindle Unlimited reads I was getting. And I have to doubt they were natural, like just organic, people just in Kindle Unlimited seeing it. Maybe some of them, but I don't know. Too many. So something, maybe it was my AMS ads, like my Amazon ads, but those have attribution to Kindle Unlimited reads as well, so it seems like I would have known, but I wasn't seeing any in the analytics. So yeah, great news. Getting a lot of engagement on the ads again, getting a lot of likes, and people are interested again in the book. Already got, you know, 5 new orders in the past day, and yeah, it's good. And I want to show this off. Let's go to my screen. This is other big news. Womp. I'll show you real quick. Orbem. This is where you can purchase Orbem. As you can see, there's paperback, there's Kindle, and there is audiobook. I know. Whole shebang. First off, we're back up to 4.2. Going in the right direction. We got 32 ratings now, which is fantastic. Big jump, you know. People are starting to finish the book, you know, since I re-released it. So it's starting to get more and more, which is great. More and more people rating it. At least rating it, you know. But if you want to see something really cool, look it to the right. Yeah. Goodreads back to 4, which is a pretty big deal. 4 is the threshold for either a book people don't like or a book that most people like. So you're still willing to read it. So unfortunately, while Amazon rounds up to 4, it's still 3.96 on actual Goodreads. So, I mean, whatever. Fact is, people are going to Goodreads and, you know, giving me a good rating, which, you know, at some point it could all go in the wrong direction. So I'm happy to see that. And yeah, as you can see here, we're back in the seller rankings, nice and low. I like to be in the 20,000s, so this should drop even more tomorrow. But that I'm back in the top 100 in some of the subcategories is great, because as you know, these pages actually mean something. While I like to be on page 1, and I probably will be tomorrow, just being in the top 100, you know, people will come down here like, oh, hell yeah, look, you know. And 32 is, it's a number. I'm going against people with over 1,000 ratings, obviously, and even like 132 would be great. But, you know, I pretty much have the lowest ratings count. Every now and then I catch 1 or 2 that are pretty low. They're usually newer. Yeah, so far I'm pretty much the lowest. Yeah, here's a 43. That's pretty close. With their 4.6. How dare they? It's all numbers games, guys. Numbers game. So, let's see. Do we have any real people on today? All these names look pretty familiar, so I'm guessing the bots are here to watch. Hello, bots. And yeah, so great news. Great news. Facebook did their job. Very proud of them. Now I can actually focus on honing the ads even more, making them more effective and less costly. Right now I don't care about the price because I just need to get them back up and running. But eventually I got some good advice. I'm going to do a set of trial ads where I'm just basically showing just the image, nothing on it, completely blank, just the image, and then like a Orbem by Scott Behavior. Like very little impact from the headlines or anything, just the image. And then you basically set a threshold of like 400 impressions, and then however many clicks it gets after the 400 impressions, you can really tell which image is doing the best. I have about 6 images I can run, so I'll do all 6, 400 impressions each, see which one performs the best. And then that should give me a good idea about which image or images to use going forward for my ad. And then you kind of do the same thing. I might not do it 100% like suggested. I feel like getting the proper image and then maybe the primary text will be good. Though I think I might add the cover of my book to the image, like just a little one, because I am having some conversion issues. I'm getting a lot of clicks now, which is great, but when they get here, you know, very little are converting to sales. At least what I think so far. So it might be because the image versus the cover is a little different. But I'm keeping it in the same realm, using the same font, I'm using the same title font, so it's not like completely different like some people do. But yeah, anyways, That's the book news. Always good to have some good book news. And yeah, as far as music news, yeah, nothing there. I had that new song I recorded with Crooktooth. That's part of the stream playlist now, so you'll hear that. But yeah, besides that, Saturday is New Day, and we're gonna jump right in to working on getting the bad guys movement working, collision point working against the shield. Because right now we have a shield, but he's not getting stopped by it. This goes hand in hand with what I was working on yesterday, which was trying to get him, the runner, to collide with walls. Got pretty close, but just need to do a lot more testing. I'll tell you, it's a fine line between these two intervals. One interval is going really quickly. It's detecting his position. And if it detects that he's colliding with something, it's supposed to, stop him from moving there. The other interval is moving him towards my position every 2 seconds. And using transition, a slow transition, he's supposed to slowly start going towards my direction. So in a perfect world, he slowly goes towards my position. This is checking his position constantly. If he runs into something, then he should stop. And then 2 seconds later, he should recalculate, try to go to my position again. And if he's still on the wall, then it shouldn't do anything. He should just, basically get pushed back a little bit. And yeah, so far my problem is the movement transition between me and the runner is still causing him to phase through the wall. And I'm not quite sure why. Because I should be stopping him. Because I'm checking every 20 milliseconds, Checking every 20 milliseconds. Checking if he's colliding. And if he is colliding, setting the collide position. If he is colliding, maybe I should clear the interval? No. Yeah, because this is my problem. It's like I don't want him to just die and stop and then stop for good. Because that's what's happening, basically, when I just try to stop him when he collides with something. But I feel like I need some homies on the stream to give me encouragement to figure this out. Let's alert Facebook. Let's do a live video. Wait, what? Wait, no. I don't want to go live video. go. What the heck? Glitch. Let's see if this works. Wait, why is this a photo? This glitch is for like video. How do I make it do a video? I don't know. Can you not do a video? I want to catch it when it's glitching, but it won't. I don't know what I'm doing on Facebook. So many crazy effects. I don't think I want to take that photo anymore. Let's do a new photo. Oh, here we go. Video. Swap. Glitch. Everyone, I'm live on stream. Come watch. Twitch.tv. See if this works. Orbem. Okay. Live on Twitch now. Come by. Watch me build Orbem Explore. The WordPress based RPG set in Orbem. Alright. And then we'll set the link again. Okay. And we'll send it to everybody. You know, last time I tried to do this, it didn't work. Oh, it worked. Oh, maybe it didn't work because my account was deleted. Yeah, that would make sense. Alright. Yeah, I think Facebook's enough. I don't feel like posting it on Instagram and stuff. What was I doing? We need to fix the collision. Yeah, so let's just break this down. We are a runner. We have an interval. It's going to check my position. As soon as it does, set the collide to true. And I no longer want to do that because I don't think that was working. So, if true, the problem is I want to reset the interval. I'm going to do it I didn't want to do this before, but I'm going to see if this works. So what happens is, if it's false, then I want to set the interval. If it's true, I want to delete the interval. Okay? Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Yeah. Clear interval. Great. Duplicate code. I don't think so. Yeah, and I don't care about collide anymore. I'm just going to superposition. And again, this is going to stop me. This is not what I want, but I want to see if this works first. Okay. So, clear interval. And if that works, it's not going to stop me. So I actually should set the position to my current position. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll clear interval and then we'll set the position to my current position right away. Left val int, top val int. So then that should turn off the movement interval and then stop wherever he is. Should work. Oh my god, I'm not singing this part again. I sing it every time. I don't know why I always hear this part. Hate my catchy song. Okay. Let's get some lumbar going. It's a little support. Okay. Much better. How do I sound? Hope I sounded okay this whole time, because now it actually sounds like I can hear myself. Was I very quiet? Oop. Okay, let's restart. And let's see what this bad guy does. Okay, let's run into him. And let's see what happens when he collides with the wall. So he's gonna run at me slowly. I'm gonna transport, and he's gonna go and not do anything that I wanted him to do. Okay. It's definitely not what I thought was gonna happen. Let's double check this is compiled. Hold on. Collision, collision. If collide's true, which was working. Clear this interval. I wonder if it's just resetting the interval again now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is me being stupid. Yeah, I'm not thinking clearly. Because check it, I can't put the interval in here. I can't. You can't set a slow interval inside of a fast interval. Yeah, no, this isn't how you do it. You'd have to be agnostic. So I basically have to go back to what I was doing. So this is going to be set. Now I can still clear this interval. I just can't reset it on false. So can you start interval? Probably. Instead of set interval, start interval. Set interval. Can you just set an interval by name? Or does it have to be the function? Function. No, see, you can just... Wait. Set interval. Oh, it's a function. Yeah, right. But interval ID, this is what I'm talking about. Can you set an interval by ID? Flash text is the function, but it's not the ID. I can clear it. Can I restart it? This problem. How to restart an interval. Can you restart a set interval after you've called clear interval? This is exactly what I want to know. And I hope this works. Let's see. Hi, congrats on the game. Hey, I'm doing a game too. Blah 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 blah. I've seen it done to reset the game. Simply reload the page. No. Shut up. No. Set interval. Game. And then start game. Game init. Hey there. Clear. Set game. Oh, I think I get it. I think I get it. The function's agnostic to the interval. And you set the function on another interval. Let's do that. So basically set interval. We take this function out. And we'll call this... Oop, I forgot one more. Move enemy, and then we'll, oh shit, I already have a function called move enemy. Move enemy int, I guess. Move enemy int. Okay. That's this. Okay. So that will set move enemy, and then when I delete the interval here, collides true. So what I can do is clear interval. Window.runner move int. Okay. Else set interval again. Move enemy int. Same speed. Right. And then I'll reset it again. Okay. This seems good. Let's give the IDE a chance to catch up. Something's up. It does not like. Void. Oh wait, is it not supposed to have the whole like function name in it? I think it might just be the actual name of the function, like, right? Or am I tripping? No. Actually, I don't know. Hold on. see what that said again. With the old Command-Shift-T. Clear. Okay, so it is just the name. Got it. Oh no. But they did it in a const. Hold on. I saw somebody else do it differently up here. Nope. It was down here. Clear current game. No. Where was that? Game start. Clear interval, current game. Game. Function game. Okay, so yeah, he's just... Wait, what? I'm gonna try just the name. Because it looks like it's working up there. Okay. Let's give that a shot. Duplicate code. Oh, we need enemy for this. Shit. It said I could pass parameters, right? Set interval. Pretty sure I just saw that I could pass parameters. Yeah, arguments, okay. So let's do enemy. Let's pass that to the set interval. And this one too. Cool. Wait. Enemy. Enemy? Where's enemy coming from? Oh. From the function itself. Alright. So here's the logic. We start the interval. Bop, 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 bop. He moves every 2 seconds. Slow path. And then the other interval is checking his position. If he collides with any of the wall elements, I clear his interval. Oh shit, I gotta set his position to stop him dead in his tracks. New enemy dot style dot left equals left val int pix. New enemy dot style dot top equals top val int. Okay. So I'll stop him, stop the interval, we're good. Now the only problem left is actually, I think I should push him out of the way so he's not. Yeah, let's do that actually instead. Yeah, I like that idea. Because what should happen is I stop his interval, it moves him out of the way, it checks if he's colliding now, otherwise it'll keep moving him out of the way, and as soon as he's out of the way, it'll start his movement again towards me. And it should just repeat until he's not colliding with something. This should probably work first try, is what I'm saying. Everything's holding together. FPS looks good. CPU is a little high, but seems good. I'm a little disappointed, you know? People have lives. I mean, it's Saturday night. They should all be on stream with me. I'm the weird one with the East Coast time zone though. So it's probably like what? 8:40. People eat dinner late. I'll tell you, I've been doing this with my family, you know, since the kids got old enough to eat at a dinner time. We eat dinner around 5 or 6. And I know that seems early for some people, but honestly, I can't imagine eating at 8:40 or like 8 o'clock like a lot of people do. I have to assume a lot of that is people with older kids, you know? So they're used to... What the hell is this? What's going on? Pause my rant about time. What is this? Why am I getting so many explosions? What is the uncaught crap? Nothing's going on here. I got rid of... Oh shit. I can't set this interval 1,000,000 times. Oh, I'm stupid. I can't do that. It's gonna explode. I'm setting like 1,000,000,000 intervals. My computer's exploding. Let's close you for a second. I'll reopen you when I get this solved. And then we'll get back to my dinner time rant. Okay. So this is correct, but only if the interval's not already set. Could I check if this exists first? Because what is it if it's cleared? Is it just undefined? Return set interval. What's the return on a set interval? Returns an interval ID, so you can remove it later by clear interval. What does clear interval do then? It cancels. It does nothing. It returns nothing. Ooh. You can technically use clear interval and clear timeout interchangeably. Interesting. So they delete. So you could clear an interval for a set timeout. You should avoid doing so for clarity. Yeah, that would be confusing, but you can do it. What's this? It tells your browser you wish to perform an animation. It requests the browser to call a user supplied callback function. Why? Alright, whatever. Okay, so basically what I need to do, check if this exists. If this window.runner move int is greater than 0, right? Maybe? I mean, it might throw an error if it doesn't exist. Let's do this. Let's just try this first. No, because I don't want it to exist. How about this? Parse int 0 is less than. Right? Because the ID is a number. Should give me a number, but if it's nothing, then it'll give me a 0, right? the error? Oh. It's not assignable to parameter type string. I mean, this shouldn't be a string, it's an ID. Whatever. Let's try this. No. If this equals 0, then set interval. Otherwise, don't. Yeah. Alright, see if this explodes now. But wait. No, this shouldn't run until I... shit. I hate when I clicked that by accident. Okay. Yeah, this technically shouldn't run until I collide with the trigger, so... Let's see. Oh, we're not getting the billion things anymore. Oh, he's dead. We must revive him. For some reason I was trying to scroll on the page. Like, come on, move up. Should I do that? Should I add scroll movement? Okay. So far, so good. Okay. So far, so good. Well, didn't look like he went through the wall. Oh. Where's he going? He ran away to a very strange position. Okay. That was nice though. He didn't even go near the wall. Oh look, he just went back to his starting position. Whoa. Do I like that? I don't know if I like that. He basically just resets. That's so interesting. So he'll chase me. For as long as he doesn't run into something. But look, as soon as he ran into something. Oh god, he's still coming. Oh, he doesn't know what to do. He's stuck. He's in an endless loop of collision. Let me move him back towards me. Oh, he doesn't know what to do. That's not good. Oh, he went somewhere. Oh shit. Why did we all just get moved? Because he just got moved. What is going on? The whole map just exploded. Okay. We're on the right track. I feel it. So we're on the right track. He definitely has some quirks, but it does seem if he tries to run to a wall, he'll stop and reset. Oh. Gunner. But I wonder to what extent. See, he like just hit a corner and he... Oh yeah, look at that, he just stops. It's like he stops until I trigger him again. Interesting. now he'll move again because I hit the trigger again. That just means that the set int vol is not working. And there's definitely something wrong with his logic after he collides. So let's see what's happening. Because I have the new blocked position, so this is what's making him basically move out of the way. If 0 equals, so when you clear it, is it not turn? Okay, so I need to see what this is, because it's probably the problem. Why it's not just having him rerun into me again. Because I don't know what this is coming out as. And in fact, let's find out what it's coming out as without parsing as well. Oops. With my bare hands. Your eyes remind. This is a creepy song. Saying your eyes remind me of the sky. So beautiful and white. I want to take them home. It's about like a serial killer who almost falls in love. And they ends up killing her anyways. Okay. Let's see what the consoles drag up. So 47. That's the int. Now what happens when I run into something? Wait, what the fuck? Okay, let's. How do I stop the endless ints? It's still 47. Interesting. So even though I cleared it, it doesn't lose its ID. Why not? Why doesn't it lose its ID? And they were coming up with the same number. So it collides. It clears, but the ID doesn't go away. Oh. It doesn't go away because I'm not resetting it. So really, the clear interval also needs to result in window.runner move int equaling 0. I definitely don't need this. It's an integer already. Right? Because I'm clearing it, so I'm stopping the move enemy. I'm setting that so I know next time when I'm not colliding to set it to this. But as long as I'm colliding, it'll keep setting boop, 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 boop. And by default, I want to not set this. Well, this shouldn't start though. No, so like while he's running at me, I don't want to keep setting the interval. So we need to default this. No, I don't. Because it won't equal 0. Yeah, we're good. Let's try this. Okay. Now, This should make him not just stop. It should reset his movement when he runs into a wall. And let's try the old trusty wall right here. Son of a bitch. He phased through. He's not even caring about colliding anymore. What a shithead. Yeah, it's like, it's trying, but it doesn't give a shit. It's still colliding. Interesting. It's a very strange effect. So like it works. It's going the wrong way though. Like it should know that it's colliding with the bottom, right? But it seems like it's still having an issue with the transition. When I move farther, it moves faster and it phases in. Like watch. Now he'll phase through. And now he'll phase through. Because he won't be colliding anymore. It's not pushing him far enough like I wanted. So let's see. Oh, let's reset. Getting closer, getting closer. It definitely is, you know, trying again. Still weird that it shoots back up like that though. That just makes me think that this new block position is not correct. Or wait. That makes me think... Yeah, whatever. The new block position is not right. So why? We got the new enemy, that's me. I mean, that's the bad guy. We got the top. No, that's new enemy's position. We're getting position. And we're saying enemy true, which should make it 20 pixels. Yeah. Should be adding or removing 20 pixels based off of that. Let's make it bigger. I don't know. Maybe. Definitely feel like there shouldn't be. He shouldn't be able to phase through the wall still. Because if bottom collision and it's not a top collision, then I should be going up 50 pixels, right? Left it'll be fine, it's the same, good to go, but we should be removing 50 pixels from the top position and just basically pushing him back up. And then what should happen is once it's back up, it checks if it's colliding. If it's not, then it starts to hit again. So it should just keep going like this. Bop, 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 bop. It should not be like phasing, you know. Shouldn't even be able to do that. So let's see if maybe 50's the trick. I know it's different than my movement because I'm tracking my movement, you know, every 20 milliseconds. But I'm moving. No, I'm moving every 20 milliseconds, you know. So it's where my actual position is. And his is just checking his position that frequently. Ah, crap. Don't shoot me. Okay, let's try it again. First try, go. See, why is he going all the way back up? And then facing through? Makes no sense. Makes no sense. It's doing the exact same thing. Yeah, okay. So I'm definitely missing something. What am I missing? What am I missing? These are the points in the streams when I'm watching or I'm listening where I'm like, oh my god. Come on, dude. Because I already know what I did to fix it in the future. Sorry, future me. I know this is frustrating for you to watch and listen to, but I envy you for knowing the answer already. Okay. Okay. Let's just double check. Okay. So what I need to do so I'm checking every 20 milliseconds what his position is. If he's colliding, then stop the movement and then set his movement to his current position minus 20 or whatever in whichever direction. Problem is, when he's first colliding, it's resetting his position to his start position. Let's look at what his position is. Maybe his position's just not updating. Okay. So his current position is 3,000 by 2,000. Okay. So let's see if it resets to 3,000 by 2,000 for some reason. What the hell? Whoa, 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 whoa. So why would you... Why is it going back up? Even though... Well, maybe I was looking at the left position because I didn't think it was moving. Oh shit, I wasn't looking. Redo. Okay, let's try this again. Come on, dude. Let's go back. Let's do all of them. Okay. 3,000, 2,000. So what happens? Okay. It's 26, 28. 2270. That's not right. He's definitely coming after me. See, trying to push him 50, but it won't let him go 50. Why? Let's try this again. See if we can run into this table. Why am I moving so slow? I don't know. It just doesn't seem to be working. I don't know why. So I left this top. This is just to move him back so he's not colliding anymore. Is clearing the interval over and over not good? I don't think it matters. I don't know. I think part of it is that it's doing it over and over and it's just kind of overloading the system. But if I clear the interval and set it to this, maybe I should do an if statement here as well to not do anything if he's already at 0, right? I don't know if that's going to change anything, but it might help some of the wonky movement. Let's see if it changes anything doing that. Okay. Run into him. Again, he's resetting. Okay. I think that actually did help. There's something about it re-clearing over and over that was causing him to be able to still phase through the wall. So this is good. I don't like how far he's moving back. Oh shit. And he eventually got through. Nice. Oh my god, what's going on? Let me through. Okay, well, the up collide is working as well. At least for now, until he figures out a way to phase through the damn wall. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's getting through. Let's see. Oh, he got through. Well, he pushed me through, but he didn't get through. So it's going 280. It's moving up 700 pixels. It doesn't make sense. It's only supposed to move back 50 pixels. But it's moving up 200. 800. Why is it moving so much? I wonder if it's because of the interval. Let me double check this block direction usage. So block movement gets hit. movement gets hit. Wait, what? Just top left. Wait, what? So no, I mean, block movement's getting hit just as many times here. I was just thinking maybe it's getting hit a lot more, so it's like adding a lot of pixels as it rotates, but wait, what the fuck is this? Oh. Block. I forgot, it's a separate function. Because I'm getting the collision walls and stuff. I'm just sending for some reason. And then I'm resetting it here. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so it's not because it's running too many times. Maybe 50 is too much. Maybe 5 is actually fine now that I have it working the way it is. Let's see if that stops it from moving back so much. The fact is, it's still phasing through after a while. I kind of don't like that. He's so aggressive. You know? His movements are still too fast for me. Okay, well now he's not moving back as much. But I still feel like he's gonna phase through eventually. Like if I just move down. Yeah, you see how it's doing what I was doing before. So I really haven't solved anything. It's just squeezing through the wall. It's kind of terrifying. So why are you allowed to squeeze through the wall? That's what I want to know. Because you shouldn't be able to. You should be stopped and just pushing yourself back 5 pixels until you're not colliding anymore. But instead, it seems like I'm not stopping the movement at all. He's still he's still colliding. How is he getting through? Hold on. Yeah, that's not right. Because I'm literally clearing the goddamn interval. He shouldn't be able to move it towards my position anymore. Clearing and setting it. But as long as he's colliding, he shouldn't get here to reset. So how is he getting back here? Like, why is the collide not colliding? I mean, he's very clearly in a wall still. If he can phase through the wall, then he is colliding. So why are you giving me false sometimes? Collide true, collide true. Default is false. So if collision walls don't exist, which they do. So if none of these are true, it's going to be false. So is there a scenario when he's going through the wall? Wait a second. Okay. I think what I need to do is set collide to true here. Like as soon as he's colliding, set it to collide. So set collide true. since we're overlapping. So that would be final dot collide equals true. Okay? So, whatever. Because my guess is that even though this is getting through, maybe some of these are not being met, so that it's getting a false. But if it overlaps, I want it to be colliding until it's not. So no overlap. Now this should stop them from phasing through walls. I mean, he hasn't gone there yet, but watch. If I go up high enough, he'll phase right through. Gonna run at me like a motherfucker. And keep pushing me. I also want to make him not be able to push me. But we're working on new stuff today, so we're gonna make the shield work first. Piece of shit. I love he can push me through a wall and then he gets stuck. Okay. So this should work now. He shouldn't be able to go through walls anymore. No. It's still happening. He's still able to even go into the wall that much. He shouldn't be able to. I don't like it, because that means he's just going to run right through right now. Yep. Alright, it's not working. So that wasn't the problem. So why are you still able to move towards me? You shouldn't, because you shouldn't. So collide equals true. Alright, well, that didn't work. I'm gonna keep that in there though. Just in case. Okay. So I could just change the adjust to a higher number again and have him bounce back more. But it's not solving the issue where if I go really far back, that he'll transition right through the wall. Which should. It should stop that, but it's not. So why? Why are you able to get set again? So clear the interval. Set this. Oh, I'm stupid. There. Do not clear the interval if this does not equal 0. Only clear the interval if this does not equal 0. That's what I mean. And I'll set to 0. Let's see if that has an effect. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we can get through this wall. Or not. Now it's doing what it was doing before, where it's moving too far. Why the fuck are you moving back? What the hell is going on? Why? Why would not clearing the interval every Why are you getting set? How come this is not equal true all the time? Or how come you're able to hit the wall and go through it, even though I'm checking every fucking 20 milliseconds? Doesn't make sense. Enemy. Getting the enemy. Getting his style left and top. Everything's good. It's just collide is coming back false. Enough. So it's coming back enough. So if he's really far, he's just flying at me too fast. I think it comes down to the transition speeds up, you know, depending how far away he is. So it just seems like maybe transition's not the way to go. Because I can't really control that. Or can you? Can you make transition the same speed regardless of how far it is? Because right now I'm using 3 seconds, so the animation needs to take 3 seconds to do what it does. It's almost like I need to add a variable to the 3 seconds based off of how far he is from me. Can I do that? Can I figure out the math? Let us try. Let us try. Because we have my position. Can we determine how far I am? That is what I'm doing for this. Oh yeah, because I have the left and top difference. I guess I could just... I don't actually know how to do that. Yeah, I know how to get the difference between the left and the top. That's fine. Like separately, but how do we do it together? Like guesstimate a pixel distance. I don't know if we can. Unless I do like an average. I don't know. Let's just give it a shot. So get distance to slow movement. Basically, I'll do new enemy. Style. Okay, so new enemy. Enemy style left. Replace pix. I don't know, we'll just do the whole %10 thing. Which seems to be working. So do that. Plus top. Okay. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. Minus, basically. Oh, I'm doing this. Oh, okay. I guess. I thought I was doing the radix thing. I am doing that somewhere else. Yeah, here. Just to get the integer. Okay. Okay, minus map character left. Top plus left. Map character left. Okay. Diff dist. Okay. So we'll do that, and then divided by 100. And then let's put that here. Or something. So now it's kind of relative. I don't know, man. And then let's make sure it's a parse or float int. I mean, I need to round. So let's do parse int again. And we'll do radix 10. Maybe? Math. Math. No idea. This is a shot. He can move like crazy fast. Or crazy slow. Yeah, 4,953. That's pretty slow. Look, he's not even moving. Is he moving? I don't think he's moving. He is moving. I think he's stopping. It's because 2. It's kind of wiggling, actually. Okay. So let's do divided by... Wait, what's divided by 1,000? Might have to be 10,000. Let's see what this is though. Math. Huh. Keeps giving me 5,000. I need to see what these numbers are. What kind of numbers we dealing with here? So this plus this should be like 5,000 minus this, which should be like 5,000. It should be basically 0. That's why I'm confused. Why are these numbers so high? Let's see what we got. So yeah, let's get back to my rant about bedtimes. So basically, not bedtimes, dinner times. Yeah, eating past 5 or 6 doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Whoa. Negative 64. Okay, wait. It's kind of working. Why is it going to 0 though? Oh shit. See, when it goes to negative, that's when it goes crazy. It just zooms right at me. Yeah, now he's dead. Yeah, so any later, you know, my kids, you know, the bedtime comes up. It's just if you're eating at 8, not a lot of time to do anything after. It's basically you eat and then whatever, you take a bath, get ready for bed. Right? So we try to eat earlier, you know, 5 or 6, to allow us to have some time for our food to settle, you know, maybe do something, play a game or read a book or something like that before putting him to bed. So yeah, but then, you know, their bedtimes though, they can't be that too early either, because it's the same issue. So if you have your bedtime at like 7 or 8, then you have to eat at like dinner at like 4, 3. Like, that doesn't make any sense. I mean, they get home from school around then. Sometimes they come home, eat dinner right away. You know? I guess it comes down to, I don't think eating dinner should happen right before bed. And that's my thought. But yeah, people think it's weird that we eat so late. I think it's mostly people without kids though. That's my guess. I mean, eat so early. Most people without kids. That's what I have to guess. Okay. So there's clearly, this is not a good logic. Clearly. I know what I'm trying to do, but I don't know what kind of formula it would take in order to accomplish this. You know? Because if he's above me, we're at like a different position. The positions just don't make sense. It's just not really a good way of telling how far you are away from another element. Unless there is. Let's see. Determine pixel distance between two elements. Tom, 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 tom. Meh. Wait, what? The hell is this? Measure animation. They're using CSS to measure? Okay. Not gonna help me. Let's put JavaScript. So is this it? Yeah, see, I don't want the Y and X. I want, like, together. Pythagorean theorem. Squirt. Math high pot. Brrr. Okay. I'm gonna steal this. I've never heard of math hypot. Hypotenuse of a triangle. Let's try that. This might actually work. So basically, sure, we can steal this function for now. Okay. And then we'll use it. Wait, what? Where'd it go? Okay. Oh, distance between the two. Yeah, this. Distance between. Yeah. Okay. So let's do character equals that equals what the fuck is A position. Okay, so A is gonna be map character, right? B is gonna be new enemy. Okay. Oh. And then diff distance will be this. Okay. So now we need to take that distance and basically figure out how to make it make sense. Because it can't just be the actual pixel difference. Well, it can if you do milliseconds. Let's see. Wait. We want it slower when he's farther. So yes, the farther the difference, the more milliseconds. Okay. Logic is sound. Alright. And the whole reason I'm doing this is because I want to slow the guy down so he can't just fly through walls. And if he's going at a consistent speed, then no matter how far I am from the wall, he should still like hit the wall slow enough to where the collision point works. Yao Ming? I'm cold. Not that any of you care. Should be handing me a sweater or something. But no, you're not watching live. You can't hand me anything. Not that you could if you were watching live, but at least you could hear me whine live. Okay. Cool. Okay. So, milliseconds was too fast. Milliseconds is too fast. Too fast. Seconds is going to be too slow. So instead, if we do milliseconds, and we like times it by 10, maybe. I mean, let's do times 100. Let's start slow. I want them to be slow. Because when he's right next to me, I want it to be at least 3 seconds. Right? So it should be 3,000 milliseconds. So 3,000... Yeah, we should do it that way. So 3,000 milliseconds would be 30 milliseconds times 100. So 30 pixels away from each other is perfect. And it's just slow down to go farther. Okay, let's see if that works. Now we should gain speed as it gets closer, it seems like. No, we shouldn't. This is very consistent. I kinda like this. Hit me, bitch. Oh, it worked. So now if I go farther, it should not change his speed. Let's see. Now if I like go pretty far, let's go into a wall. Let's see what he does when he hits a wall. Because I think we nailed it. Too slow, but really close. I think if I times it, see, it's consistent the entire time. He's not going faster because he's farther. This is actually exactly what I wanted. Thank you, High Pot. Almost there, Grandpa. Come on. Hit the wall, buddy. Oh, look at that. He's not even touching the wall now. This is perfect. Oh, he's getting closer, actually. This is not perfect. You son of a bitch. He's still phasing through the wall. Just really slowly. Yeah. I think I'm gonna have to change that. That distance is just not right. I mean, it definitely means, in my eyes, that there's something... definitely something wrong with this collision method. Because he's still getting through walls even though he's not moving fast enough to really, you know, for the position check to not work. So what is it? It was almost like it was better when this was clearing every time, huh? Kinda. Let's first try just getting rid of that and see if it works. He's pushing me around right now. I can hear it. Very slowly. I changed it to 90 times 90, so he should be faster. God damn it. Faster now. Alright. Go back to your home, dude. Please. Please load. Okay. Let's get out of here. Run into this guy now. Should be a little quicker. Well, doesn't seem to be that much quicker. I definitely need to add this logic to the projectile as well, by the way, because it does the same thing. If I'm farther away, it goes faster, and I don't like that. Alright, okay, he's moving. He's moving. I mean, is that like the speed a normal RPG bad guy's supposed to move? Okay, move back. Yes. See, that's not cool. It moves back, but then it immediately starts phasing through the wall. I don't understand why it does that. It doesn't make any sense. Shouldn't be allowed to do that. It's almost as if it's only working one time, which could be what's happening. Let's see. So it goes boop, he hits the wall, I change his position, move him back, and then it immediately goes right back into this. Even though there's no reason for this to not be true. So let's actually test that. Is this changing to false randomly, even though it's not false? Or is it changing to something else? Because I am doing, if true, I'm not saying explicitly if it's false, do this. Let's check. This should give us a good indication. Unfortunately, we didn't get to work on the magic part of this. Kind of got stuck on the collision part, which is supposed to be the bug part, but I don't know. Maybe we'll do that on Monday. Instead of a bug, we'll work on the magic shield part. We'll call it a bug. Okay, so let's see. So false, perfect. Yep, it's moving fast. Good, so it knows his position very well. Now when this changes to true, and he goes back, and it goes back to false, is it going to stay false even though he's colliding? Because if not, then I don't know why he would be able to keep going. Helen Lucas, hey! I'm good, how you doing? Okay, it's true. See, look, it switched to false. I'm good, how you doing? Welcome. It's true again. But look, even though it's true, he's still phasing through the wall. Why are you allowed to fade through my wall? You shouldn't be able to. You should be being pushed back. But we know that the collide logic is working because it says true the whole time. Okay, let's just transport out of here. Okay. I think I got the information I need. I'm doing good too. Great. Glad to hear. Thanks for jumping on. If you're interested in what I'm doing, I'm building a RPG on WordPress. Based off of my sci-fi fantasy crossover novel, Orbem, which you can get a little taste here. This is the book, Orbem. It's the universe that the game is set in, based off my series, which is book 1 is on Amazon right now. Book 2 is on pre-order, and it's gonna be a 4-book series, so still working on it. But in the meantime, while book 2 is with the editor, I'm working on the video game. Okay. So we know that this is perfectly working. But what we don't know is why this block position is allowing him to go through. They definitely should not be. It should be pushing him back up. So my only inkling is that it's just kind of getting stuck inside the wall, so maybe I really need to move it back. How long have you been into development? So the game itself, the standalone version, I've been working on for just about a month now. Currently, there is a live game on my website that is basically just kind of a walk around, a walk and talk around, complementing the book. So like you could, you know, you can choose a character from the book, start exploring, let me mute that, and then basically you just walk around and read little blurbs about the areas in Orbem. And it's supposed to, you know, there's different, you know, things it says depending on the character you choose. And yeah, it was supposed to be kind of like a little, hey, you know, you read the book, now walk around Orbem kind of thing. But my new mission is to turn it into a standalone game that can actually get people interested in the universe and maybe want to read the series, you know, or just enjoy the game itself. So, so yeah, that game I built years ago. Yeah, I built that into the website probably three-ish years ago, and you know, I iterated on it a little bit. Thanks. Yeah, the game looks interesting. Yeah, it will be. The standalone game right now is basically me building a game engine to build the game. You know, I don't have any assets yet, and it's all about the mechanics of, you know, the guy moving around. Yeah, so I'm a website programmer by trade. Been doing it for about 14 years, specifically WordPress programming, which is why this is in WordPress. It's what I know. And yeah, so you know, worked for Disney, Warner Brothers, Universal, the websites, and so I work on enterprise, really high traffic websites. And yeah, never was a game developer before, but I've dabbled a bit. But yeah, I'm basically just going off of what I want to do and what I know about vanilla JavaScript and styling. And in this case, we're gonna move this guy back. I tried doing it the same amount of bump back, but we're gonna move back to 20 pixels and see if that helps. Yeah, gotcha. So maybe rich. Yeah, no. Really trying to get the book series off. I mean, if I get a movie deal, I can talk about Rich. It's what made you in streaming. Honestly, I really wanted to document building this game. I think it's a really interesting way of developing it, especially it being on such like a accessible platform like WordPress. And you know, if anybody wanted to watch that and learn a little bit about WordPress development, and you know, I can answer questions and stuff like that, I figured it'd be a good resource for people and for myself, because I'm keeping all these. And eventually, when the game does go live, you know, I'll have some nice footage for, you know, showing how it was made. So, yeah. And I was watching basically like Pirate Software and some other streamers, and it was really interesting watching them build things as opposed to watching people just game. And I like that, so figured what I'm building is kind of interesting. Maybe people would want to watch. Let's try not to readjust to this. Oh should happen is he's getting pushed back far enough to where he's not phasing into the wall, and it should catch him and keep pushing him back farther. I gotta figure out what the heck this uncaught is. Interesting. Seems like it happens when I leave. No? Okay. Well. Alright. Indeed. Watching you code is interesting. So what's your brand name mean? Orbem Order. Yeah, so basically, Orbem is the first book in the series. It's called the Hamonian Chronicles, the entire series, which is the overarching advanced species that colonizes other universes and implants their technology and stuff. The Orbem Order is kind of a plot point in the book, which is made up of all the representative of the species in Orbem, all the conscious ones. And, you know, I kind of like the idea of like people joining the order, and it just kind of stuck using that certain point in the book for all my, you know, social networks and stuff like that, because I want to build a community in the universe, and I want people to, you know, like the universe and be part of it. And I mean, I make music for it, I make you know, I commission art for it, and now I'm making a video game. I'm on top of the books. You know, it's just a whole bunch of content for the universe, which is, you know, something that I find interesting. And, you know, if other people do too, they can join in and be part of the order. Okay, let's see if he can still run into the wall. And I also named the band that I make music for the Orbem Order as well, so which the answer is going too long. Yeah, in TLDR, it's just a council of the representatives of the species of Orbem. That's what Orbem Order is. Alright. Is he going to keep going into the wall again? Yeah, it's doing the same thing. Doesn't matter. It goes back once and then he just keeps going forward. Yeah, it's definitely something that I can write a book with that answer. Yeah, I mean, I did. It's a lot to talk about in the Orbem universe. That's all I've been thinking about. Yeah, because finished book 2, that's, you know, a whole nother book in the series, and then constantly thinking about where it's gonna go, because I don't really plot things out. Alright. So I have not figured out what the actual bug is. Moving this back doesn't do anything. So the real problem is that this is not catching after a certain point. Basically, like I said, it's just doing it once and then going forward. So if true's collide, I already know that the true is still working. So collide true, so we should still be going in here. The problem is this is obviously just not working. Oh god, I left myself open. He's hitting me now. Get out, get out. Yeah, I was also a professional piercer for 10 years. Worked in Hollywood for a couple of years. Studio City, Echo Park. I'm originally from California. Hence why I have a lot of piercings. So, here's what I want to know. Is this just not giving me the right position? Because that would really tell me what's going on. So I'm getting his new position every 20 milliseconds. I'm getting his top and left position as well. So, and we already know this is working because we know it's colliding, we're getting true. But for some reason the top and left are not doing what they should be doing. I should also check what I'm getting for top here. And today is bug day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday I do new builds, new features. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday I do bug fixes. And I'm definitely going to introduce a day where I actually do like code cleanup. That would probably help too. Alright, let's see what we got. He starts at 2000. Okay, every 2 seconds he moves a little closer. Should be consistently moving forward. Oh, that's weird. Look at that. Oh, there's your problem right there. It's not registering his new top position. It's staying the same. Why? And then it moves him back. And then it goes back to 28. Weird. Well, I think we might have found the problem. It's definitely not what I was expecting. So wait, what was I console logging? I had 2 console logs, but I was only showing 1. Huh. So his top position and his top fell in was not moving. It stopped at 2840. Sorry, I was called by my mother. Ah, no problem. Not a problem, I got plenty to do. Yeah, so if you're interested in website programming, like I said, I've been doing it for too long. And if you're interested in piercings, I've been doing that too long. Your channel look basic, why don't you upgrade it? I have 5 followers, and I don't really get many concurrent viewers. So I haven't really had the motivation to go crazy on it yet. I will eventually. I'm also worried about, you know, stream quality right now too. Adding a bunch of, you know, extensions and avatars, stream avatars and that kind of stuff. And, you know, I'm also not an affiliate, so there's no reason to have like a bunch of, you know, things talking about getting bits and whatnot. Yeah, just too new, I guess. I wouldn't mind putting some time into that at some point, though. And all the music you hear in the background is my band's music I've recorded in various years. That way I don't get DMCA'd, it's all my own music. Alright. So why are you not updating after a certain point? But you as a developer, you should know that UI matters. Yeah, it does. And I mean, I'm using OBS and I got the layering and stuff work. I got a few things set up, just like, you know, be right back, starting soon, you know. The more attractive, the more audience. Could be. Yeah. That's true. That could definitely help, I'm sure. I don't know. What kind of stuff would you like to see? What would make this prettier? They are lovely. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I've got some of the slides set up, and I don't have like the ongoing stuff. Yeah, I made all that stuff. Yeah, I just set it up in OBS. It's not, you know, like the beer back. This is the same font style from my book. You know, I have that from the original. I've done a lot of graphic work, and then you know, the starting soon is just a picture of my book, and nothing too crazy. I've got a few other screens set up for when I need them. But yeah, I think the only stuff that I could add right now is maybe like a follower count, which is kind of a sad count. Maybe just some, I don't know, interactive stuff. It's just like I said, I don't have a lot of people joining and like interacting, so I don't even know what it would look like. Well, I'm still pretty new to Twitch. I'm getting there. I'm also simulcasting on YouTube right now. So, got that working at least. And I do YouTube shorts every day. You can catch the YouTube Orbem at youtube.com/@OrbemOrder. You could subscribe there too. See all my fun shorts. Is your book published on anywhere? Yeah. Yeah, the book is published on, it's on Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, Orbem Order, I'll throw a link in the chat if, you know. Oops. Not Orbem Order. Orbem, just Orbem. It's got a paperback, a Kindle, audiobook, and let's copy the link for you. And yeah, it's available in all these formats here. And it's doing alright. Luckily I just got Facebook ads reinstated. They got disabled for some reason. Here's book 2. This is open for pre-order, and it's set to go out July 1st, so not too long. Took me about 4 years to finish the first one from start to publish. So the second book will be about a 7-month turnaround, which is definitely a lot better. I want to see the seller dashboard. Oh, seller dashboard? Yeah, it's nothing special. Let's see. Yeah, check out my royalties. Orders. Now you can see it's great. So yeah, this month is not bad. You'll see I actually lost Facebook ads for about 12 days, and it just completely tanked my orders, which is sad. Considering I have Amazon ads running as well. The Kindle Unlimited reads actually didn't really go that far down at all. So I'm guessing people on Kindle Unlimited were getting, you know, exposure to it from another source, which is cool. And then yeah, I got a few pre-orders for the second book. I also, you know, don't mind helping other people publishing. Yeah, I'm running ads. So like on Facebook, You can see real quick on the ads manager. So I've got 2 campaigns running. I'm kind of testing female and male in the US. Amazon PPC, yeah, I do. I have attribution for the Facebook links, and then I have sponsored ads. So this is what I got running right now for Amazon. A lot of campaigns. So these are all running. Definitely underperforming. I mean, this is only for 5 days or so. So what do you think Facebook? I mean, Facebook ads, hands down, are way more. They get more sales. Now they cost a lot though. So if you see here, the reach is great, and if you actually dig down into the ads themselves, which I'll show you. No, I'm bleeding hard. Yeah. Facebook is bleeding hard, but this is also a lead gen into the series. So just getting people to start book 1, you know, basically guarantees sales for book 2, 3, and 4. I'm bleeding more than I want to, even for a lead gen, but I'm still refining the ads. Like, you know, I have the marketing graphics working to a point. People are a lot of engagement, but I still need to really get the conversions, because the clicks are pretty good, but the conversions aren't that much. And yeah, I'm spending way too much, you know, just for this month. So it's also another learning process. I definitely didn't know anything about book marketing before this. Yeah, you can test the creatives and filter. Exactly. Yeah. So I'm really kind of doing like a shotgun right now on Facebook. And then I turn off the ads that don't work. I tweak the ones that do. And yeah, I've only been doing that for probably a few months now. And still working on it. But yeah, it's an ongoing process. Eventually they'll be profitable enough to where they pay for themselves. But really, I mean, I started a little early, to be honest. I should have waited until I had the whole series finished before I started doing Facebook ads, because then when you have a box set and you have like, you're able to lead people into the other books and stuff, you know. By the way, I'm a digital artist who loves to draw arts and helping small streamers to grow their platform. Very cool. Digital artist. So you do graphic work? Suggest me some ideas. What kind of ideas for the stream? Or for the book? Let's see if this is the one that's not moving. Alright. 2000. Let's see if he stops again. Yeah, it stops again. Even though he's moving, he stops. I am multi-talented and I can suggest some ideas for your book too. Cool. I'm always open for ideas. You're more focused on stream. What do you do for stream? Like I don't know what a digital artist would do for a streamer, I guess. I don't understand. Yeah, see, it's going back to 2-2. It's like it completely disassociates itself. Do you want to see more follow-up? Sure, yeah. Shoot it over. Always looking for more resources. So this means that the style is not changing. Even though I'm changing it here, obviously, or you wouldn't be able to move. Or is it the function that's moving? Either way, I'm moving. Let's see here. I want to see the guy's actual position move. Because it would be weird if it wasn't moving. Okay, so he's at 2000. Cool. And then 2849. Why is he staying at 2849 like that? How is he moving when he's not actually moving? The top isn't moving. How are you moving? Oh. Is that it? Interesting. I will take a look at this when I'm off stream. Very cool. Thank you. I'll give you some feedback. Wow. Oh. Very cool. Alright. So, we have learned that he's not actually changing his top position at all. It seems like what's happening is this is just happening. The move enemy in, which is literally sending it to my position and then just slowly moving. Which makes sense. Which makes sense. Okay. My position's not actually changing. That's annoying. Right. The position's not actually moving. Shoot. That makes a lot more sense now. Because the way he moves is he just uses a transition animation to move from one point to another, so yeah, it's not working. I have worked for several streamers helping them grow and get affiliate. Nice. Just with your graphic work? It's pretty cool. So I need to detect his position. Right. So this really means nothing. This really does mean nothing, huh? Because I'm not actually iterating towards that number. Shoot. I can't use get bounding client rect because that's not his real position. So I need to rethink this colliding thing. So when he collides, though... Yeah, no. Shoot. Because all I'm doing is I'm removing intervals so he stops. Set to 0. And then I try to set it back a bit. But if his position's not actually, like his left and top aren't actually moving, shoot, then I can't use this same collision logic. Interesting. This is just not going to change. It's just going to be the same. You can have animated overlays for your stream. It will make your stream look good. Animated. Yeah. I mean, I want them to be functional though. And I don't really have anything that's of function yet, unfortunately. Like bits or, you know, a queue of questions or anything like that. Couldn't always get that started though. It'll just be kind of empty until it works. I also need to figure out how to get Streamer Bot on a Mac, because they do not work with Macs right now. Or I gotta find an alternative to Streamer Bot so I can work with the Twitch API. But I definitely do want to do stream avatars. So when people come and join and talk and stuff, they can have little avatars running around the screen. That's always fun. Maybe little Orbem characters. Left and top. Favorite avatar? I don't know. I don't have any. I'd have to make it. Like I made this little guy here. Probably be some 8-bit characters. Have them running around the screen. Okay. I can make that custom avatar for you for your logo in PFP. I can make that custom avatar for you. And then what, like uploads to stream avatar, the plugin. I haven't looked into it. I don't know how you customize the avatars yet in the avatar streamer extension. But yeah, maybe when I get that set up, I'll reach out to you for that. So this is what you do, you jump into like streamers that don't have a lot of followers and then offer your services. It's pretty smart. Yeah, I'm really bummed out actually, because I kind of put myself in a corner here, because I can't I can't get my style left and top, which is really the source of truth of the position. Because I'm just basically setting it to my current position and moving him with the transition. You're even smarter. Nah. Nope, I've just been on the internet for, 25 years. And I've also run a lot of businesses online and had a lot of hustles. And also I'm dealing with a lot of people offering their services to me for everything. Especially in the book world, holy crap. So what about I make something cool for you? You will love it. You can throw a sketch together or something. I'll tell you if I like it or not. I'm not really, like I said, I wasn't even looking to add anything to the stream yet, so I don't have any, interactive points, but maybe if it looks cool enough, I might use it. Yeah, I appreciate it. No hard push. Yeah, here, you can reach out to me here. Feel free to shoot me over whatever you got, and if you want to offer services and stuff, that's my Orbem order business email. So I will definitely take a look. And feel free to also follow me. Well, this is actually about the time when I stop. I stream from 11 to 1 usually, so I'm a little over. But appreciate you jumping on and chatting and offering your services. You got some cool stuff to offer. I'm always, like I said, looking to work with new resources. I can build anything, but I don't have time to. Got a lot of work and other things going on. So yeah, a good artist is always good to have around, especially somebody who's experienced in streaming, which I'm not very. So yeah, reach out to me on that email address, and I'll hopefully catch you around. And with that, we will save this for Bug Day on Monday. I can do a sketch, but I do this for a living. Yeah, that's fine. You can just send me your rates or whatever like that in the email. Let me know, how it works. If it seems like a decent deal, then sounds good. Sure, yeah. Send me your rates in the email and we can talk. That sounds good. And I appreciate you jumping on. Thank you. Have a good night.